Now, to date in Wall Street, you already know that Nio currently has a strong buy sentiment, which is something that is truly amazing, because as seen on the screen, you notice that Nio, out of the 12 analysts, 10 are saying buy, whilst only 2 are saying hold this stock. There's no analyst who's currently saying sell this stock, which is something that I think you should take it as a very good signal to say that the Nio is a good long-term stock, which is something that is incredible. And another thing you'll notice that it has an average PT, or 12 months price target in Wall Street of just over $51. So many analysts believe on average that Nio will be trading, or its fair trading price in the next 12 months should be around $51 or just over $51, which is something that is truly amazing, because this just simply means that when Nio's currently trading at right now, it is offering an over 171% upside potential. So if you're to partake into buying Nio right now, you might find yourself sitting with over 171% of gains in the next 12 months. Now, with all that, today, guys, there is another institution that just initiated a coverage on Nio, and the good thing that these institutions, or this company, just gave a 6-month price target on Nio. So this one is not like the Wall Street prediction or the Wall Street sentiment with a price target or 12 months price target of over $51, but this time around this company or this institution just initiated a buy rating on Nio with a 6-month price target. Now, of course, before we continue, please note that all that I'll be sharing here with you are just my opinions, and you should not take them as professional financial advice. Otherwise, if you seek professional financial advice, you already know what to do by now, and that is you need to go and consult the professionals. Otherwise, if you like the content that I'll be giving you about this new coverage with a 6-month price target of Nio, please don't forget to hit that likes button, as it helps YouTube algorithm. Otherwise, without wasting any more time, the company that initiated coverage on Nio and gave it a 6-month price target is the Northeast Securities. Now, this Northeast Securities, as I said, they initiated a coverage on Nio and they gave it a buy rating with a price target, ladies and gents, of 200 yen, which when you convert it to the US or to the US dollar, it is sitting around or just over $25 per stock, which is something that is truly amazing. Now, this 200 yen or this 25.6 US dollars price target that these Northeast Securities just initiated on Nio, it is offering a pure 38% to those that partake and go in and buy this Nio stock. So this company believes that in the next 6 months, Nio ought to be trading, or Nio price target ought to be around 25.6 US dollars, which is something that I think is a good opportunity for you to probably load the boat onto this Nio stock. And yes, I know that there are so many of the Nio investors who are believing that in the next 6 months Nio will be trading in the 50s. I think we can see Nio, worst case scenario, trading around these levels. And though I'm saying to others it might be low, but I think it's still a very good price target looking on where Nio is currently trading at right now. Part of them giving this price target or initiating a coverage with a price target of $25.6 is that they believe that Nio will be profitable or will become profitable in 2023. Now, you'll remember that this is not the very first time we are hearing big fishes, big institutions indicating that they foresee Nio becoming profitable in 2023. In fact, almost all institutions that are investing in Nio believe that Nio will become profitable in 2023. So they believe that Nio in 2023, they will generate total revenues of around 545 million yen, which equates to around $85.7 million, which is something that is truly amazing to finally get to see that we can expect at least to see Nio generating total revenues or positive total revenues of around $85.7 million in 2023. And like I always say, this it's always good for you to probably invest into a stock before they become, or they turn out to become profitable, because most investors, or some, even the institutions, tend to like investing in companies that are already profitable. So the moment Nio becomes profitable in 2023, we are going to see a lot and lots of volume coming into this Nio stock, because like I said, some of the investors or some institutions actually prefer investing in stocks which are already profitable. So these low trading prices that we are seeing in Nio right now in 2022, I believe that you ought to take them as a good opportunity for you to load the boat and probably invest, or make sure that when you are investing into the Nio stock, you are investing for a longer term. Yes, I know that there are still some delisting fears in the year in relation to this Nio stock, but the China or the Chinese securities have sort of like assured, or sort of like indicated, that they believe that they will find a solid ground with the US regulators when it comes to these delisting fears. And of course, this does not necessarily mean that you can probably put all your money into Nio. I think we just need to wait and see the final conclusion when it comes to these delisting fears, which some analysts believe that we'll get that around April, which is something that I think it will be amazing, as so many investors, even those that don't invest in Nio, are patiently waiting for that day so that they know if Nio should be the stock that, or which they add it to their portfolio. Otherwise, this Northeast Security believes that Nio is in a transactional phase, as you will know that they will be starting to deliver their 3 new models this year, namely the ET5, ET7 and the ES7. So they believe that these models will do very well, which is something that is truly amazing, and something that I've been telling you to see, that when these 3 models start with the deliveries, all of them, we are going to see Nio reporting some very good deliveries when they report, or each time they report their monthly car deliveries, which is something that I believe, like I said, it ought to motivate you to probably consider loading the boat on Nio, or consider having a look into Nio, because I tell you, after these 3 models start with deliveries, we are going to see the Nio stock also responding to that kind of demand, or the kind of deliveries these 3 models will be producing, which is why it's important, or I believe that you ought to take an opportunity right now and probably load onto this Nio stock, because I can tell you the future is bright on the Nio stock, because you'll notice that even in terms of production, they are seriously increasing their capacities this year, and I've already discussed or made a lot of videos about the production capacity increase that Nio is doing this year, which is another main reason that you got to believe me when I say that Nio will do very well this year going forward in terms of deliveries. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I believe that Nio is a long-term stock that will give those people that persevere for a longer term some good massive returns. And I believe that these short-term headwinds, like the delisting fears and other issues that might be surrounding this Nio stock right now, are all affecting this stock in the short term, but in the long term, this is the stock that will do very well. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I make tons and tons of stock market investing videos, and if you think that this video was amazing, please don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that YouTube can notify you every time I release a video. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. And before you load the boat, it's always good or wise for you to probably go out there, do your own due diligence, so that at least you can be comfortable when you are investing into this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.